Guys, welcome to the vlog. We're riding today on this little pit bike, and yeah, well, it's up for sale, so I might not be able to ride it much more. So, you know, maybe if somebody offers me the right price, I put it up for sale. I'm trying to get rid of it. I need something a little bit more practical, if you will. She's like laughing at me. She's laughing because I'm wearing like full helmets and like full motocross boots. Actually, what I came out today to train was to train my my balance. I was gonna do like slow balance training, where I do like this kind of stuff and just go like basically, yeah, but that's not fun for you guys to watch. So I'll practice that on my own. Whoa, this guy's house is out of there. He's having a party, I guess. So the only reason I'll rip through the dirt here a little bit. Nice. Oh, it works. No, little lizard. Don't want you dead. I come in through here before in my videos and kind of just rip around the stairs. The thing about the stairs though is like, I think this bike, I'm not 100% sure, will case it on the bottom. I think I have tested it before, but the goal is to get down without getting off the bike, and I wonder how that would work. Oh, I already blew it. Oh, the bottom of the bike. Oh, it's terrible. There's probably security cameras here, which is probably videotaping me doing this. Oh, this one right there, look. Go a little bit faster. Oh yeah, I think we got it before it bust my ass. Got my own private little track right here. It'll get boring as hell pretty fast. Unless I was racing with somebody, but on a tight pit bike, dude, this thing would be like super scary. Oh my god, I'm at the bottom. I wanted to do in the first place, and I'm failing at it miserably. But this is totally be a commuter, man. It's a 70cc, and it goes quite quick. It's faster than most scooters, in my opinion. I'm already going faster than what scooters would go. That's like 30, bro. It's pretty quick. The sketch. Oh god. This place used to be like disgusting. They cleaned it all up. I did a prank right here where I said I found the bike or something, and people were upset with me a little bit. Hey man, I had to, ooh, churros. I had to get my name out there somehow. Didn't I get a top speed of this bike? I feel like I should get a top speed. Not a joke. I'm already going 20 and I ain't even trying. This big bike's quite fast, I think. Let's go. All right, let's move. And we're going. Sorry, I got off to a slow start, but that's not the point of this. This is top speed mode. Alright, we're in top gear. Get down for aerodynamicy. Can we give it 40? Oh, 41, 42? Here we go. Come on, 40. 43, 44. Oh man, we broke 44 miles per hour. Not bad for a 70, I gotta say. I like it. Take my shirt completely off. Did you hate it when you're trying to put something in your pocket and your t-shirt gets like jammed right into it? Yeah, the tire might be low. At the front. They're both pretty squishy. Damn. 44 miles per hour is not bad for 70 in my opinion, especially when it's clapped out as this and it's from 1999, as you can see right there. So I'm going to call it a video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.